Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For this video, y'all, if I have not mentioned it before, I'm in love with LissettesGelNails glitters. I love her glitters. For this video, we doing a LissettesGelNails glitter nail design. We're gonna encapsulate it. We're gonna add some bling. So without further ado, we're just gonna get started. I'm feeling so extra with these. If y'all have not seen the last video of these, go check it out. I don't know why you're not watching it, but they came out so freaking pretty. And yes, I'm rocking 2 different nails. Like, why not? I am a walking advertisement for myself, okay? So this is what my nails are currently looking like. I did remove the last set, which was the hand-painted nail design. If you have not seen that video, go check it out because it took me a lot of work doing that video for you guys. So I did show you a sneak peek really fast of the glitter, which is a gorgeous hot pink iridescent glitter that we're going to be using. We're going to go in with the non-C curve tips that are on my website at LGNPro.com. I do pre-measure each nail before gluing them down with my rubber-based gel. It might go to rubber-based gel. If you have not had my rubber-based gel, you need it in your life because it is going to save you. I do go ahead and I glue them down, and using my little mini lamp, which is also on my website, you can go there. And it's super easy. 1, 2, 3, glue them down. Next step, let's go. I think I had a little bit too much coffee and it is super late right now, so yeah. Now, since I do have my left hand already a certain length, I do go ahead and just cut down the tip a little bit just so like it matches my left hand as far as lengthwise. Even though it's going to be a completely different design, I still wanted it to be a little bit the same length. I do go ahead and I use my rubber-based gel and I just add a little bit. And I don't know, I felt like I was working weird. It was late when I recorded this video. I already had prepped my nails because I did take off the set before. So I did my prep, I put my tips on. Usually I would go ahead and scuff over the surface, but I skipped it. I would usually go in with my dehydrator, but I skipped it. So yeah, I was a little wonky that night that I did these nails, but follow your normal routine when you prep your nails. So for the glitter, I wanted to go ahead and go straight in with the glitter. I'm gonna go in with my clear hard gel, add a little bit, and then I do pour that glitter on top. I can't remember the name of it because she sent it without a label, but yeah, so as you saw, I do go ahead and I just pour that glitter on top. Each of the nails is going to be the same, so this was actually super easy and fast to do. This actually went by really fast for me, so I just added a thin layer and then I shoved my finger inside that glitter, or I poured it on top. You're gonna see me take out my little elf contour brush, which is supposed to be for your face. I use it for my nails because it was $1. It was cheap and it works so well for what I need it for. But yeah, I do push the glitter in with my finger just to make sure everything is tucked in and stuck into that gel, and then I do flash cure it for at least 15 seconds before I went on to the next nail. But like I said, I do this across all of the nails, and yeah, it was super fast, super fast.
I exhale all the bullshit of my life. Yeah. I inhale all the love that I can find. Yeah. I am not the same no more. Nothing even matters like it did before. I'm brand new. Like a break.
Look at how freaking gorgeous this glitter is. If you don't have this glitter, you need it. It just looks so freaking good. So from there, after I added it to all of the nails, and as you can see, I didn't add it all the way up to the cuticle part. I did add it halfway because I did want to ombre this. I wanted to take a nude and place it on top and blend it down. Before I do that, I do go in with a little more of that clear hard gel, and I just do a really thin encapsulation of it. I didn't want this glitter to get into my nude pot, so basically I'm protecting my nude pot from glitter, so that's why I ended up adding a thin layer of clear so I could go on to the next step.
I'm telling you,
Did go ahead and use my True Nude Hard Builder Gel, and as you can see, I add a thin layer first, and adding that clear helped me transition that nude and overlay it on top of that glitter. So I'm actually really glad I did it. In the beginning, I was thinking to myself I should have just skipped that step, but no, it actually helped me lay this nude on top a lot easier, because I know for a fact I struggled in the past. But yeah, so I'm going in with that nude. I add a thin layer first, and then I take a little bit more and I try blending it on top, and it actually, like I said, it helped with the transition. Why am I stuttering? You guys know what I'm talking about. Same thing across all the nails, and I do cure for at least 15 seconds before moving on to the next nail.
all the good vibes running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Positive feeling is on rewind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. All the good vibes running through my mind. See it if you're feeling alright. To love it and live it your life. See it if you're feeling alright. See it if you're feeling alright. Just love it and live it your life. Smile like an emoji. Smile like an emoji. No more drama, I'm living high. Oh, don't you get my vibe? No more drama, I'm living high. No more drama, I'm living high. I'm taking it easy, I simplify. No more drama, I'm living high. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. All the good vibes running through my mind. See it if you're feeling alright. To love it and live it your life. See it if you're feeling alright. See it if you're feeling alright. Just love it and live it your life. Smile like an emoji. Smile like an emoji. They can bring me down. All the good vibes running through my mind. I'm on my own path.
My nails was looking hella lumpy, so from there I went in with some clear hard gel again, and this is where I started evening it out, making that structure my apex and just encapsulating it a little bit more. I wanted these really even and straight like I always do, but yeah, so I do go in and I'm actually using my number 6 brush, and I did warm this gel up. I feel like I mentioned it in a lot of videos, but I do have a coastal warmer that I warm up my gel when it's too cold in my house, and it's been hella hot lately and I always have my AC blasting, so it's super cold right now in my house, which I love, but my hard gel doesn't love it as much because it makes it hard to work with. So having my little coaster off to the side, warming up my gel is a lifesaver. This is the coastal warmer that I currently use. I can adjust it and, you know, turn it down, turn it on and off. So I have also this linked on my Amazon storefront.
Come closer. Let's taste the life and touch the sky, yeah, till it's over, over. In a minute we're sober. We're born to live and die for love. We know that, know that. We be running and running and running the storm, you and me. We be loving and living above and beyond. I do, and I know that you do too. They don't know you, don't know you, don't know you like I do.
As usual, we clean with my nail cleanser, removing that sticky layer, getting all of that nasty stuff out because we're gonna go into filing. And as always, you're filing the side walls, you're filing your free edge straight, you go over the surface, making sure it's all Gucci, and then we go in with the drill. For the drill, going in at 22,000 RPM like I usually do. And then I'm going around the cuticle section. I do go towards the tip as well because I really wanted to make sure that I had debulked it. I did a lot of the filing with the hand file. I don't like to include too much of the filing because I always veer off. So I try to include what I can, but majority of the time I just kind of have to, like, you know, take the footage out because it gets super blurry and it makes no sense just leaving it inside for you to struggle trying to see what I'm doing. But here I can actually leave this whole clip in. Like I said, I do go over that cuticle section, just making sure it's a little bit blended into my nail plate, and then not my nail plate, just blending it in, making sure I have no lumps and bumps up in that corner, making sure it's not touching the cuticle. And then I do go on the tip as well, just try to thin it out. And then I do buff with my white buffing block, just to smooth everything over.
Been running and running again.
And look at her, y'all. These look so good matte, right? But we don't leave it matte. So, I got these charms from Kawaii's Nails collection, and I liked the big charm itself. I did not like the dangly stuff that was on it. The dangly stuff was kind of driving me crazy. I just wanted that big pink stone with the golds around it. I thought it was so freaking pretty. So you're gonna see me go in with some nippers and like cut it away. It was tied with like another little wire, a metal wire, but once I snipped that, it kind of like fell apart. And yeah, I was good to go. Now you guys are gonna freaking hate me. You guys are gonna be so upset with me, but I do end up going in with some stones. I ended up using a couple of different stones. I used my Aurora stones, I used some AB crystals, used some cuticle bars, I used some gold cuticle bars, gold. Oh my god, just the extra stuff. And my freaking camera, I don't know what, it didn't like me that day. Like, it just ended up cutting off. It didn't record nothing, guys, nothing. I'm sorry, don't kill me, but this is what it looks like. And like I said, they came out so freaking pretty, but I am so mad it didn't record me top coating, it didn't record me adding the crystals. So I am so sorry, you guys, but this is the final look, and I am so freaking happy with them. The glitter is just everything. The glitter is like, oh, love it. You guys need to go to her website and go check out the glitter because she has really good mixed glitters. Super affordable. I think it's like $2, and she gives you enough. It's not like she gives you a little tiny pot. No, the bag is full. But yeah, this is what both my nails is looking like right now. So I have 2 sets, like I said. But y'all, this set was super fun to do. It was super fast as well, not complicated at all. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't dislike it because it didn't record the stone placement. I'm sorry. Next video is gonna be Leo Zodiac series. Let me know what you guys think about Zodiac. I already have a couple comments for Zodiac colors and stuff. But yeah, that is it for this video. Subscribe, please subscribe and like this video. Don't dislike it.